Construction site, garbage crew to the rescue. Sherry Dusky Rinker and A.G. Ford. There is a place built long ago that once stood proud with lights aglow. But now the homes of yesterday are vacant and in disarray. This neighborhood, left to decay, needs some help and right away. Could someone save this dear old town instead of knocking it all down? Today, this big, hard-working crew has new, important work to do. They're planning to do something great. This time, the team will renovate. What a job! They stop and stare at huge junk piles everywhere. With heaps of rubbish all around, there's not one clear spot to be found. Dump truck sighs with a long, low huff. What do we do with all this stuff? Before the trucks can start work here, there's a ton of waste to clear. Mounds of paper, junk, and trash. Old leaves and food, all brown and smashed. Bottles, cans in every size, and things they do not recognize. They'll need big help to clear and haul. And honk! They know just who to call. Help is coming. They can tell because P-E-U, what a smell! A fleet of heroes in they drive. The whole earth shakes as they arrive. Rumbling, roaring, rolling through. They're great and strong and stinky too. It's the mighty garbage crew. First, roll-off truck leads the pack, a huge container on his back. He looks around, surveys the space, and then backs up to get in place. Beep, beep, beep. His hoist is lifting, high and strong. The box rolls right where it belongs. I'll pick this up when you're all done. He leaves to make another run. Container delivery truck drives through, leaving smaller dumpsters too. She sets them up in one low row. Now big trash has a place to go. Here's flatbed rolling to a stop, with special cargo up on top. She's helping with the cleanup plans. Here's a load of garbage cans. Skid steer rolls to flatbed's gate, and now the two cooperate. Flatbed sets cans on the ground, and skid steer drives them all around. Now the cleanup can begin. Construction friends start pitching in. They move the mess and organize and separate by kind and size. Some goes into trash, but most is for recycling or compost. Side loaders are coming through. Some lift one can, some lift two. Their arms extend and reach out long, while grabbers hug tight, holding strong. Rear loaders drive up alongside, with hungry hoppers opened wide. They're grabbing cans and dumping too. This is what we love to do. Front loaders lift dumpsters large and small. Strong forks hold firm, dumpsters don't fall. They're gently set back on the ground. They're ready for another round. Garbage trucks are rolling, lifting, working long and strong, persisting. Hoppers are all open wide as the trash is dumped inside. Packer panels crushing, mashing, pushing, pressing, firmly smashing. Cans fly up, but nothing's spilled. The trucks eat trash until they're filled.
Parts of a garbage truck. Container forks. Hopper cover. Arms. Packer panel. Rear door. Container arm lift. Body. Rear light.
And all the while, the building team has been working at full steam. They're bringing loads of 2x4s, installing windows, roofs, and doors, and tearing down what can't be fixed, while fresh concrete is getting mixed. They fix and fill and shore up walls, building strong so nothing falls. They plant new trees and pave the streets. The neighborhood is fresh and neat. With good hard work, this mighty crew made these houses look like new. Garbage trucks make one last run to tidy up, and then they're done. The dumpsters are all hauled away, and now the team can end their day. Thank you so much, garbage crew. We're so grateful you came through. A job well done by all they know, but now it's late and time to go. With one last look, they stop to see the whole street fixed up perfectly. Looking better than before, standing straight and proud once more. Off they rumble, roll, and roam. With houses finished, they head home. This renovation went just right. Great job, crew. Now, shh, good night. Once upon a time, there was a building in Chicago that had been a home, then a business, and then an empty place. It had a big, broken neon sign hanging dangerously off the front and was covered in cracked and falling pink ceramic tiles. Its windows were boarded up, but it had tall, beautiful window openings, sturdy bricks, thick moldings, and a winding wooden staircase. And then it had us. My husband and I spent the next 10 years renovating it by hand. I loved its strength, its history. I loved the idea that generations before had climbed the same stairs and looked out the same windows, had entered through the same doors and walked the same floors. I imagined that other mothers had brought their newborn babies home there, as I did. As we worked and our babies grew, the neighborhood rallied around us, showing appreciation for our commitment and thanking us for taking on the project. And we fell in love with the neighborhood. We set out to honor the strength and dignity of that house, but we ended up being part of something even bigger, a community full of old beauty and new life.